Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello, fellow growers. In this video, I will explain how to grow green beans hydroponically. It's a rewarding process that offers fresh produce right at home. First, select your hydroponic system. Deep water culture is excellent for beginners. Next, germinate your green bean seeds by soaking them for 8 to 12 hours, then place them in a moist growing medium like rock wool. Once your seedlings show their first true leaves, they are ready to be carefully transferred into your chosen hydroponic system. This initial step sets the stage for healthy growth. Now let's talk about feeding your plants. The nutrient solution is their lifeline. It's crucial to maintain a pH level between 5.8 and 6.5 for optimal nutrient uptake. For nutrient strength, target an electrical conductivity, or EC, between 1.8 and 2.5 millisiemens per centimeter, or 1,200 to 1,800 parts per million. Remember to use a balanced hydroponic solution, increasing phosphorus and potassium during flowering. Green beans drink a lot, so keep that solution consistently available. Creating the right environment is key for thriving green beans. They need plenty of light, so aim for 12 to 16 hours daily using full-spectrum LED grow lights. Maintain a comfortable temperature between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 21 to 27 degrees Celsius. Humidity should ideally be kept between 50 and 70%. Also, ensure excellent air circulation around your plants. This helps prevent common fungal problems and promotes overall plant vigor, leading to a bountiful harvest. Finally, the exciting part, harvesting. You can expect to start picking your delicious green beans about 6 to 8 weeks after planting. To encourage your plants to produce even more, harvest them every 2 to 3 days. Look for beans that are 4 to 6 inches long for the best flavor and tenderness. Remember to prune any excess side shoots, and if you're growing pole beans, provide them with a trellis or stakes for support. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown hydroponic green beans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.